tribe caste continuum, Raj Gond, right? So if you look at Raj Gond here, if you see here, Raj Gond, here, of MP, Madhya Pradesh, when you do the Google search, look at here, Raj Gonds are dominant. See here, what the Google has given the answer. The Raj Gonds are a dominant historically ruling subgroup of the Gond community. That means among the Gond tribe, Raj Gonds are ruling type of Gond. They're warrior. And they consider themselves superior than other Gonds. See here. So subgroup of the Gond community, the largest tribal group in Madhya Pradesh, primarily residing in the Satpura and Vindhya range. Satpura and Vindhya range. They are of Dravidian origin. Dravidian origin, historically powerful, known for their unique, right? Right, Instagram artistic style. That's given the Insta. That is a wrong thing given there. Now this one. Held power for centuries. Right? Gondwana. There's a Gondwana land. Southern Peninsula, we call it Gondwana land. That for centuries with notable kingdoms in areas like, see, Gadha Mandala. Gad Mandala. Gad. Gad means fort. Gad is a Hindi word, means fort, killa. Gad. Mandla. Mandla is a place in Madhya Pradesh. Gad Mandla. Their influence, however, declined over time, transitioning to a primarily agricultural and farming community. Now they have reduced to agriculture and farming community. Now see, they are concentrated in the forest of Madhya Pradesh, Betul, Narmadapuram, Chhindwara, Balaghat, Shahdol, Mandla, Sagar, Damoh. These are the districts of Madhya Pradesh where Raj Gond people live. And you can see here subgroups, right, distinct from other groups like Maria Gond, Dhruve Gond. Marriage, see, their society is divided into exogamous patrilineal units called sagas. Exogamous they have. They are renowned for traditional, this Instagram Gond painting, जो होता है, practice and all this. Like they are known for agriculture jobs, cultivating rice, jowar. Now they are shifting there. They have their own type of, gods and goddesses. They have a own types of gods and goddesses. These are the people. Right? These are the people, the Raj Gond. So they consider themselves to be superior among the Gond tribe. So that is called tribe caste continuum. That in a tribe, slowly they have adopted the caste system of others. They have adopted the caste system of others. Right? This is what you find here. So that's what you will find such people there. Right? They've adopted the caste system of people there. Now see here, Gundi people there. They have their own type of culture. They have their own type of culture and history. See here, Gond Palace, Bhopal, Raj Gond. They were the rulers among the Gonds.